This is the TopTes PT177 Combustible Gas Leak Detector. Comes with this handy dandy manual. Here is the actual product. This has an easy twist off cap to put your two AAA batteries in. It also comes with a very convenient little carrying case, but it also can clip on your shirt or your pants anywhere. Red button is for the power, and I'm speeding it up but because it actually takes about 30 seconds to calibrate. There is a low sensitivity and a high sensitivity mode. It starts off with the high sensitivity mode. This measures 50 to 500 parts per million. You just simply press the button and it enters the low sensitivity mode, which is 500 to 1000 parts per million. Okay, let's try it out in the field. We didn't actually find any gas leaks here, nor did we here. It picked up a little bit when I started the oven and turned it back off. This is natural gas. As you'll hear in a second, it also picks up propane and starts to beep really fast. Also, when you're not using it, it shuts down automatically in 5 minutes.